questions.
Hi, Attorney Jairo Bollero from Rappler. Just a clarification, Attorney. Even on the resolution of the MR, Justice Kagiwa did not, take part of
Yes.
that, and Justice Ting was still on leave.
Yes.
Okay. Another question. Can you expound on the explanation of the court on why the doctrine of the operative fact was not considered in the
Yes.
in the resolution? Thank you.
So the court said that the doctrine of operative fact does not apply when it is used to try to justify an unconstitutional act. And since the impeachment complaint, the fourth one was already barred, right, by the 1-year bar rule, and then that the non-action on the 3 complaints because it was not, they were not put in the order of business within the 10 session days, so that was unconstitutional. So it cannot be used to justify this action.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Adrian Ayalin, ABS-CBN.
Yes.
So, ibig sabihin nito, attorney, wala nang pwedeng gawin ang House of Representatives kung final na. Meron pa ba silang pwedeng gawin? I-file, halimbawa, ang HOR?
What do you mean?
Kung gusto nilang for reconsideration uli, or may appeal pa ba uli, or talagang final na?
It was denied with finality, and the court said that no further pleadings will be entertained.
Although hypothetical, kung hindi ba ito na-decide before February 6, parang yung MR nila is still active, parang they can't proceed with any a filing of another impeachment complaint, theoretically speaking.
Well, it's not the case now, but if you would remember, the original decision said that no other impeachment case could be filed until after the 1-year bar rule.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Just another question.
Sure.
There are ongoing impeachment, complaints before the House of Representatives, and basically they're adopting the 2025 ruling of the Supreme Court on the procedure for impeachment.
Mm-hmm.
Now, with this clarification on, for example, the Gutierrez precedent, gagamitin na po ba itong ruling ng Supreme Court on the MR, yung clarifications na to, on the current impeachment proceedings before the House of Representatives?
Well, this resolution of the Supreme Court is its latest, and it clarified a number of things when it comes to the 2 modes of impeachment, the due process requirements required for each mode, as well as when each mode is deemed initiated for purposes of the 1-year bar rule. So yes, it will be this one that should be followed.
Hi, ma'am. Tej Tupas po from Inquirer.net.
Hi, Tej.
Ma'am, clarify ko lang. So, wala na yung Francisco ruling. Ito na yung susundin niya.
Actually, no. Francisco and Gutierrez are still good decisions. And it also said that, yes, the court followed Gutierrez, but it expounded on it. Kasi kay Gutierrez, what happened there was a referral to the Committee on Justice. But then in this case, what happens when it is not referred? What happens when it is not put in the order of business within the 10 days required by the Constitution, or it's not referred to the Committee on Justice within the 3 days thereafter as required by the Constitution?
So, nilagyan lang ng options yung from Francisco ruling.
More like it clarified the ways in which the first mode of impeachment is deemed initiated.
Ma'am, isa pang question.
Yes.
Ano po yung date ng promulgation ng?
The promulgation was kahapon, January 28.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Hi, Mitch Velasco po from Kutang Batu News.
Mitch.
We wanted to ask, what was the vision and intention of the ponente, and did he consider the impact of his decision on the Constitution and the future of the Filipino people?
I am not privy to the deliberations of the court, nor am I privy to the mindset of the ponente, but what I can say is this decision of the court made sure that the constitutional rights are still protected in impeachment proceedings, and it actually expedited the proceedings with its interpretation of session days. Thank you.
So wala pong nangyaring changes, ma'am, sa voting doon sa unang ruling doon sa July 25. The same din po yung ngayon.
Yes. Unanimous for those who were present. Yes.
Good afternoon po. Ako po si
Hi.
Arles from One News. Confirm ko lang po, so yung MR decision po, we can still proceed po with the February 6 na one-year bar rule since may mga impeachment complaints na po na inihain sa House recently? Or ngayon pa lang ulit mag-i-start since may decision po yung sa MR ng House?
Again, it will be after the one-year bar rule from the transmission of the articles of impeachment last Feb 5.
Sige po. Maybe off topic on that, but recently po, there are Zaldico's camp filed a motion for TRO, Ombudsman and ICI. May we know or touch on the process on it po? And since it was filed in overseas naman, notarized then from Sweden, ano po yung process ng SC on that petition of Zaldico po?
Well, right now, it will be immediately included into the agenda, and we will give further updates as soon as they are available. Thank you.
Is it covered by the recent rules issued by the Supreme Court barring fugitives from availing judicial relief?
We will have to wait and see what the court or how the court acts on his petition. Thank you.
Ma'am, another issue po. May yung amendment ma'am ng Rule 138 on refresher. Tama ba ma'am na na wala na yung one-time use of the review course? Meron na ngayon 3-time use, 3-year validity, including review centers?
I'll have to check on that and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Vice President Sara Duterte. Ma'am, kamusta po kayo today?
Okay lang ako today at magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin na nandito ngayon sa Duterte Street sa Den Haag. At sa mga kababayan natin online na sumusunod araw-araw sa pagbibigay suporta kay dating Pangulo Rodrigo Duterte.
VP Inday, first of all, on behalf of the Filipino community supporting you all over the world, congratulations for winning your case against the impeachment complaint filed against you.
Yes. Unang pasalamat ko sa Diyos, sa ginuura na tanan, saka nato na tanan sa Ginoo. Pangalawang pasalamat ko ay sa mga abogado na nagtulong-tulong para questionin yung pag-abuso ng proseso ng impeachment ng House of Representatives. At pangatlo ay yung pasalamat ko sa lahat ng mga kababayan na patuloy na naniniwala at nagtitiwala sa
Ma'am, alam ba ni former President na nanalo ka sa kaso mo?
Hindi ko binabanggit sa kanya yung mga kabahin sa akwa ba?
Okay.
Hindi ko binabanggit sa kanya na may nag-file ng isang impeachment, second impeachment, third impeachment. Nabanggit ko isang beses kaso hindi ko lang alam kung naintindihan niya na kaparte yun sa impeachment, questioning the impeachment. Kasi isa siya sa mga abogado doon. Maalala niyo,
Yes.
isa si President Duterte sa mga pumirma doon sa petition na sa Supreme Court. Noon, matagal na yun, nabanggit ko. Kanina, hindi ko na binanggit sa kanya yung denial ng motion for reconsideration doon sa kaso dahil ayoko na pag-usapan yung impeachment.
Okay.
Mas mabuting pag-usapan na yung mga ibang bagay na mas may relevance sa buhay natin at sa bayan kaysa yung sa impeachment.
Hindi na lang siguro ako magtanong, ma'am, kasi may follow-up sana ako sa impeachment.
Hindi ko binanggit sa kanya.
Okay. How about, ma'am, knowing that dismissed with finality naman yung motion for reconsideration, are you prepared for the seemingly obvious effort of your detractors come after February 6 to file another impeachment complaint against you?
Yes. Yung mga lawyers, they've been preparing, or they were hired as early as fourth quarter of 2023, the moment that one of the members of the House of Representatives announced that they will file a case against me. At nakumpirma ko yun sa loob ng opisina noon ng speaker noon. Kaya meron na kaagad mga abogado noong panahon na yon. At hanggang ngayon, tutuloy-tuloy pa naman yung mga abogado and legal team. And nung nakaraang taon, bago mag-Christmas break, ay napag-usapan din namin yung paghahanda sa impeachment. Hindi lang ngayong taon na ito, dahil sigurado kapag hindi sila nakapag-file ngayong taon, susunod na taon at hanggang matapos ang aking termino ay ganun ang gagawin nila. Makapile sila ng kaso, impeachment man hindi.
Okay. Ma'am, may mga question ba kayo, guys? Wala na ba? Walang question? Ma'am, do you have Ma'am, do you have a message na lang sa mga kababayan natin na talagang sobrang nasiyahan, including myself, for this positive development?
Hinay-hinay lang sa celebration. Don't drink and drive, mga kababayan. Mag-celebrate kayo, pero celebrate responsibly. Huwag ubusin ang pera sa bisyo. At huwag magmaneho ng lasing. At kung maaari ay dyan na lang kayo sa mga bahay ninyo mag-celebrate or mag-celebrate kayo online. Mas mura yon. Internet lang ang kapital ninyo. Data lang.
VP Inday, mabuhay ka, stay strong.
Thank you.
We are rooting for you.
Salamat sa inyo. Ang ano ko ay wish ko talaga lahat para sa bagong taon ay paulit-ulit naman yon. Good health and happiness para sa inyo.
Thank you, VP.